Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today students, we are going to answer a few questions.
Yeah.
So who would like to answer question number 1?
Can I try?
Sure. Why don't you try, Hajar?
No?
Yes, now. Yes, now. Aku stay sini.
Okay, for question number 1, we need to find maximum height. And secondly, we need to sketch the graph. From the from the question given, this is the equation FB given. Okay. As we know, for acceleration, the equation is acceleration equal to delta velocity per delta time. For initial time is equal to 0, and for delta time is equal to time. For final velocity is equal to 0, and delta velocity is equal to negative initial velocity. So we need to calculate we need to know the time value.
Hajar, we'd like to try another marker. I think the marker is out of ink.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you for
Okay. For the time we get 5.1 second. After we get the time, we need to use the equation given.
Oh, substitute kan?
Yeah, substitute.
Allah Akbar.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. It's normal. Hajar,
Yes.
let me it's still to classify
Okay, the answer for maximum value height is 127.5 meter.
From the looks of it, I think you've done a really good job. Yay! So, what about the graph? Who would like to show me the graph?
Me, I already did the graph. Can I show that?
Yes. Of course you can,
Go
Fadila.
Dila.
Okay, sir. Basically, from the equation is 50t minus 4.9t squared. So, I just substitute the time from 0 until 9, and then I substitute from this equation, and then I got the height 5 until 53.1. Okay, and then I plot the graph as usual. Then the maximum height here is proof. So the graph is complete.
That's a really good job, Fadila. Well done. Alright, students. So, seems like Fadila and Hajar did a really good job on answering question number 1. So, I would like to know who would like to answer question number 2.
Maybe I will try it.
You want to try, Amar?
Yes.
Alright, let's give it a go.
Okay. Basically, the question number 2 asks you to find first 3 terms for cos x squared by using Maclaurin series. And then we use the answer for the equation So basically, the way we solve this equation is, the first step is we have to find the Maclaurin series for cos x squared. So basically, Maclaurin series is by differentiate this equation. So basically, the first term is we can get 1. When we differentiate cos x squared, we can get 1. Then we differentiate again. We get 0. And again. We get also 0. So then, after that, we will use the formula of Maclaurin series, and we will get the final equation, which is so after we get that equation, we can use it to what we call it? Integrate.
Integrate. Forget Amar.
So basically, we will get something like this. 1 4 plus 1 then we set the value. final answer, we will get something like this.
Got it.
Right. Thank you, Amar, for the fantastic explanation on and the correct explanation on question number 2. So,
So, who wants to help me to answer question number 3? Anyone?
anyone? Oh, Farid. You want to answer question number 3?
Yes, yes.
All right, let's give it a shot.
For question number 3, the question is quite simple because it actually wants us to get the differentiation and second differentiation of these two terms, which is x is equal to r cos omega t and y is equal to r sine omega t. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we use a chain rule in order to find the answer. So first of all, let x is equal to r cos omega t. So if we differentiate it dx dt, we will get what we will get? Anyone? Okay, we will get negative r omega sine omega t. Okay. Okay. Next we use y is equal to r sine omega t. We differentiate it also, so we will get dy dt, and then we will get r omega cos omega t. Okay. Okay. Next we will use chain rule, which is dy over dx is equal to dy dt times by dt dx, which we have get it from what we solved just now. So dy dt is equal to r w cos omega t times by, remember this is dx dt, but in this solution we want is equal to dt dx, so we will get 1 over negative r omega sine omega t. So both of these we can cancel it, so we will get cos omega t over negative sine omega t. Okay. This is actually negative cotangent omega t. Okay. Okay. We get this, which is the dy over dx. Next, we will need to find the second derivatives, which is d squared y over dx squared. So what we'll do, we use this formula. I get this formula from Google actually. D over dt is equal to dy over dx dt over dx. From the explanation from Google, it's actually we are using chain rule also. Okay, so we just substitute. If we integrate this one, we will get. Anyone have any marker? This sort of thing. We will get omega cosecant square omega t over dt dx. We just take what we have differentiated just now, which is negative r sine omega t. Okay, so okay, we know that cosecant here is actually 1 over sine, but here is square, so we got actually sine square omega t. So to make it simpler, negative 1 over r sine omega t. Okay, this is the final answer. No, not actually. This is not the final answer. The final answer should be negative 1 over r. This 1 over sine cube, we can change it into cosecant cube omega t. Okay. Okay, this is for question number 3. That's all from me.
Alright, students. We have learned the question before that. And Farid done a really good job on answering it really and correctly. So let's move on to our final question. Who would like to answer the final question? Anyone?
I want to try, sir.
You want to try, Mar, Hanis?
Yes, I want to try.
Alright. Let's go, let's go. Peace.
Okay, for question number 4, it is given the equation P equal to IV, and we need to prove this equation P equal to V IV over 2 cos unknown minus cos 2 omega t minus unknown. Okay, from the equation, it is also given that I equal to I sin omega t minus unknown, and V equal to V sin omega t. So before we answer this question, we need to know the trigonometric identity, which is sin A times sin B equal to 1 over 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, from this equation, we know that this omega t minus unknown is equal to A, and omega t is equal to B. Okay, now we can answer this equation P equal to IV. I is equal I sin omega t minus unknown times V sin omega t. Okay, from the trigonometric identity at there, it is 1 over 2 cos A, we substitute with A equal omega t minus unknown minus cos, okay, sorry, minus cos equal
Alright.
Nice one.
Nice one.
Who's sound is happy?
Alright. Since Marhanis have done it very quickly and very correctly, I think that is all the question we have for today. So you all can go and have a nice day. Thank you.